Hello everyone, it's been a long time talking to you again. So let me introduce to my channel. It's a real tech. I'm going to help you to use the technology in a right way. Today I'm going to give you a long-term review of Micromax in Note 1. As you know that Micromax has came to market again after a so long time. So let's start it. Now let's start with the camera. As you know, the camera of this phone has came with the four back cameras, one selfie camera, 16 megapixel, 14 megapixel AI camera. The point here to say about camera is that it gives a really decent output. When it comes to the budget of 11,000 rupees, the camera has given the best out of it, and it has a very good features like night mode, HDR mode, panorama, portrait, and all. And it supports up to 1080p video recording resolution. It's very good at it. And when it comes to the audio and video synchronizing, it's very good, and it's give a very premium video recording facility. As you can see that the video I'm recording is from the same phone you are seeing the video right now. This is a very good output, I think so. Now
Battery is full.
let's come to the battery. Now battery, as you know that it is a fast charging generation. It comes with the 18 watts fast charging, and the battery has around 5000 mAh battery capacity, and it's charged in around 2 hours. It's taking my time, but when you leave it, it's very good. Don't use when you charging, because by that the charging speed gets really drastic low, and I have experienced it. So always try to avoid using the phone when it's charging, unless and it is an emergency. And when it comes to the output of the battery performance, it is really good. As I said that it's charged in 2 hours, and it gives me output of around 16 to 18 hours. Very cool. And if it is a heavy usage also, it lasts a long day, no doubt in it. The battery performance is really good. When it comes to the performance of the phone, it comes with the Helio G85 gaming processor. No doubt in it. It is really good performance with 4 GB RAM. And when it comes to the games like Shadow Fight 3, PUBG Mobile, and other multiplayer games like COD, no frame drops. I have seen it. I have played around 4 to 5 hours continuously before, but it's really good. And when it comes to the heating issues, it gets start heating around 1.5 hour. It's okay with when you see the 11,000 budget category phone and you play heavy games and with the HD settings. It's really okay with, but I don't recommend to play with HD settings, because there I think you will see some ping gets really high. So comes to the other than gaming performance, it is really cool. I have seen no lags, as it is a clean OS. I don't see any stuck ups or any hang ups and call dropouts. I don't see anything like this. And other than this, it's really cool. To the storage, the phone comes with the two variants, is 64 GB and 128 GB, and it comes with LPDDR4X support storage, which is really cool, fast, and reliable. Let's come to the conclusion of this phone review, and I have going to say some cool points really, that these are the reasons why you should buy this phone. First thing is that custom OS, no third party applications, no any other things, customized UI. You will just get a clean OS, which is very good at all. And next it comes that you can enable the Wi-Fi and also the hotspot at a time. It means that you can use it as modem. And also, if you don't want to share the password of the Wi-Fi, and you can share with other by just starting opening your Wi-Fi and using, others can use it by your hotspot. Now let's come to the third point that I love most, is that this phone has a reverse charge facility, but I never used it. I don't know really it works or not. But as company assured it that it has, then you can use it as a power bank also. Other apart from this, performance is good, battery backup is good, cameras are really cool in the daylight, and it is manageable in the night mode. And other than this, game performance is good, no call dropouts. I have used three SIMs in this phone: Airtel, Jio, Vodafone, Jio, and Vodafone. The best out of it in three I have used in Telangana area is the Jio, because it has given me really good call quality and really clear voice, and I don't know why it is happening. But when it comes to the Jio in the Telangana area, this phone is really cool. You will get a decent call output, means the voice it is voice I'm saying. Now this makes end to the video. If you like the video, please share it with your loved ones and your friends. if anyone is thinking of buying a phone in budget category. And I will see you in next video.